Drosera buds have formed, and Drosera flowers have bloomed. Very beautiful white flowers have bloomed. I leave it as it is to get the Drosera seeds. The flower has finished blooming. I got my first Drosera seed. Now let's take a look at the seeds. Very much Drosera seeds are tiny. Planting Drosera seeds. Put sphagnum in a flower pot. Sow Drosera seeds on top of it. I hope the Drosera will germinate well. How are the other Drosera doing? The Drosera I had planted is not healthy. I wonder if this Drosera has died. I thought my Drosera had died, but after about 2 months, I found new sprouts of Drosera. I will grow this Drosera in a new sphagnum. I have a video on my channel about how to grow and change carnivorous plants. Please subscribe to my channel if you are interested. I have a question arising here. I thought the Drosera was dead, but new Drosera sprouted again. Could this be a way to increase Drosera? I researched and found a way to increase it by leaf cuttings. I thought about the reason why new shoots appeared. I found that the dead part was successfully implanted in the sphagnum. I thought that it was like leaf cuttings and new Drosera sprout. So I will try to make leaf cuttings of Drosera. How to increase Drosera? The way to increase Drosera is by leaf cuttings. First, prepare a flat container like this. Put sphagnum rehydrated in this container. The sphagnum should be moistened with water. Now I will do the leaf cuttings. Before cutting the Drosera, you need to disinfect the scissors. Disinfect the scissors. After disinfecting the scissors, select the Drosera to be used for the leaf cuttings. Cut the Drosera for leaf cuttings that has a lot of mucus. Cut this one. Cut the Drosera at about this point. After cutting the Drosera, place it on top of the sphagnum. Place the Drosera on top of the sphagnum, with the side with more mucus on top. In this case, it is a little difficult to understand. In this case, this side should be on top. In this case, place it in the direction of the arrow. After placing it on the sphagnum, press it lightly. Once the Drosera is in place it in a bright shady spot. Do not let them dry out until they sprout. This time, one that is covered and kept humid. We have prepared one without cover. I did it this way too. I put sphagnum over the Drosera. Instead of covering all of the Drosera, I covered the sphagnum just now to see the Drosera. I will make a video of the changes of the Drosera with these leaf cuttings. If you are interested in the changes of Drosera, please subscribe to my channel. This concludes the instructions on how to make leaf cuttings of Drosera. Thank you for watching. What carnivorous plants are you growing? Drosera, Venus flytrap, Nepenthes, Sorauchinia, Pinguicula, Cephalotus, Helianthera. I would like to know more about this for future reference. Let us know in the comments what carnivorous plants you are growing.